Dictionaries are the one of the main data type in Python. To learn this, please continue this video. Before that, press the red color button and the subscribe button and the like button to continue this. Hello guys, welcome to Abicobot YouTube channel. I am already wrote the code of dictionary in Python, which was a equal to the 1 colon the string value. 1 is the key, the string values are the values. In the dictionary values, there are the key value pairs. So we can write like this, and we can add a list also. So we can print a, the keys and values with the print a, press F5, print OK. It's showing all the keys and values together. Then we can print the values in the particular key by printing the a of inside a square bracket the key value. We can print that. It will print the second value of the key. Okay, rat, it is a value that was assigned to the second key. Okay, we can then check the, so we can print the keys by using the a dot key of we can check that, run the code. Okay, dictionary keys 1 2 3. Here I am given the key 1 2 3. Okay, then we can run, we can print the values of the key by using a dot values of. It will print the values. So here we printed the keys and values separately. Okay, if you have any doubts in this video, please ask the comment and like this video and press the red color button, subscribe button. Then suggest me to uploading the video which you wanted to and interested to it. See you tomorrow.